My wildest dreams or my darkest nightmare.
Good morning, fellas. This is Alin with the R6. Welcome to another video on the actual R6. Oh, haha. Been a while since I've been on this old girl. Ooh, ha! Oh, yes. It has been a while since I've been on this old girl. She doesn't disappoint for sure. But this might be the last video on this old girl, because I want to change to something completely different. What that will be, I'm still undecided, but for sure it will be a different direction. This ride today, it will be the last ride going to the MOT and get it ready for the next for the new owner. It's a 20-year-old bike with 11,000 miles on the clock, but she certainly doesn't disappoint. Yes, the old bike, I don't know how to explain, but there are no turbulence on this sports bike because you are so crunched up. And it's so aerodynamic, it's unbelievable. Yes, it's uncomfortable because you reach down on your wrists. Look at this. Woo! Oh my gosh. She's a beaut. Why will I actually let it go? Hard decision, but I can't take my wife on this. So long story short, Alin is looking for a different direction on the channel. I have to let everyone know, of course, all those over 8,500 people that are subscribed to Alin with the R6 channel. Thank you very much. But it will still be motorcycle related. It will still have motorcycle content, motorcycle traveling, motorcycle reviews. It's just the R6 won't be in the picture. I was contemplating for the last year or so, because I wasn't riding the R6 too much. Basically, all the bikes that I was, reviewing or indeed touring on took too much time, plus work as well, and other things on top of that. So finding time for the old girl, it was very, very difficult, only for servicing or for the MOT, etc. So I have to let it go. As nice as it is, as low mileage as it is, I'm being the second owner of it, so I have been looked after it. I have to let it go. I will have to say a massive shout out to George, the new owner. He's a local guy from around here. Belongs into the Dark Knight members club, so it makes sense for somebody to enjoy the R6, maybe in a different way, but instead of sitting in a shed somewhere collecting dust, it's better for somebody to actually ride it and enjoy it. So now we're heading to Mr. MOT up in Burgess Hill. If you're wondering where I'm MOT my bikes, at Mr. MOT in Burgess Hill. Listen. Never gets all that exhaust. And that is with the DB killer on. I don't even know what time it is. I hope I make it on time for the MOT booking. If not, Simon, I apologize. I didn't even look at my watch when I left home. I just hope I have time. Woohoo! Yeah, for sure, it's very bumpy bike, and she doesn't like uneven roads, but it's a sports bike. It's not an adventure bike, it's not touring bike, it's not sports tourer. It's nice to be on the old girl. Let's hope he passes the MOT so George can enjoy it tomorrow. Yeah, let's hope he passes the MOT, eh? Oh, she goes so well, mate. George, you will be so pleased, mate. Woo! Watching some the good stuff. Shell V Power 99 octane. So George, you're gonna enjoy this, mate. Really gonna enjoy it. There you go. 10 liters in. Number 11, please.
Number 11, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Crawling up to the edge, slowly unfold, I lose myself to the feeling of like the lightning in parallel. Always the colors of heaven melt. Beauty of oceans deep, aurora of tuning myself to sleep. Effervescently glowing, flow with me as I breathe. Oh, I know nothing is as it seems. My heart is beating deeper and deeper with every breath. A fire at war with the ice inside my chest. Am I floating through heaven or hell? I can't tell, 'cause I've never seen such color in my wildest dreams. My wildest dreams or my darkest nightmare.